Here's some of the stories trending this week at NASA. The celebration of Apollo 11's 45th anniversary and looking ahead to future space exploration continued this week with several events around the country. At the Kennedy Space Center, July 21st, the historic Operations and Checkout Building was renamed in honor of Apollo 11 Commander Neil Armstrong, who passed away in 2012. The facility once used to process and test Apollo spacecraft now is being used to assemble NASA's Orion spacecraft. The event featured NASA Administrator Charlie Bolden, Kennedy's Center Director Bob Cabana, International Space Station Commander Steve Swanson, and Flight Engineer Reed Wiseman of NASA via satellite downlink, and friends, family, and colleagues of Armstrong, including fellow Apollo 11 crew members Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. President Obama met with Administrator Bolden, Collins, and Aldrin in the Oval Office of the White House July 22nd to share memories about Apollo 11 and discuss NASA's next giant leap to send astronauts to Mars. And NASA interactive displays and other activities were featured at the Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum's 3rd Annual Space and Science Festival, July 16th through 20th in New York, including a discussion with Aldrin and NASA astronaut Mike Massimino about space exploration. NASA's Steve Swanson and Reed Wiseman made another special appearance from the space station, this one before the U.S. Committee on Science, Space, and Technology on July 24th. During the satellite downlink, Swanson and Wiseman talked about the research conducted on the station and its potential benefit for humans in space and on Earth. Meanwhile, 3 months after delivering 2.5 tons of food, fuel, and supplies to the station, the Russian ISS Progress 55 cargo ship left the station on July 21st. 2 days later, its replacement, ISS Progress 56, launched from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, arriving at the station 6 hours later with almost 3 tons of supplies for the Expedition 40 crew. The Nemo 18 mission is underway in the underwater Aquarius research habitat off the coast of Key Largo, Florida. NASA astronauts Jeanette Epps and Mark Vande Hei discussed the mission during live satellite interviews recently. The crew is testing technologies and training techniques for long-duration missions aboard the ISS and to deep space destinations. Engineers at Stennis Space Center have installed an RS-25 engine on the A-1 test stand in preparation for testing. Early tests on the former Space Shuttle main engines will collect data on the performance of a new advanced engine controller and other modifications. 4 RS-25 engines will power the new Space Launch System rocket's core stage, including on its first flight test. And that's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on social media and visit www.nasa.gov/twan.